Ayan, happy birthday, Sis Wani. Ayan, nadadaga na naman yung edad mo at tumatanda ka na. Pero yung mukha, hindi pa rin tumatanda. Baby pa rin, Sis Wani. Kaya ang wish ko lang po sa iyo, Sis Wani, ay masaya ka parati at good health. At patuloy mo lang yung ginagawa mo. At andito lang ako lagi na nasa likod mo, charot. 'Di ba? Happy birthday, Sis Wani. Kaya thank you very much kasi lagi mo rin binababa yung mga videos ko kahit hindi ko naman inuutos sa iyo. Kaya maraming salamat at happy birthday ulit. Mwah! At saka kay Sis Mikmar, happy belated birthday. At wish ko lang ay sana good health ka rin parati. Kaya, thank you. And more power. Happy birthday ulit.
Kamote, happy birthday to you and more birthday to come from Aling Salay and lagi ka mag-live para makita. Bye.
Hello Kamote, happy birthday to you. Live as long as you want. Thank you for helping me. Thank you for your friendship. Enjoy your day. Thank you. To make more belated happy birthday sa'yo. Good health. Stay kind. Siyempre, salamat sa friendship natin na kahit di tayo masyadong close. Siyempre, iba yung pagkakaibigan natin nila Kamote. Ito lang, salamat.
Hello, Sis Wani. Happy birthday. Kantahan muna kita. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sis Weni. May God shower you with blessings today and always. Happy, healthy, exceptional, rocking birthday. I hope all your wishes come true. More birthdays to come. Again, happy birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. God bless. We love you.
Yeah. Hello, I'm Marjorie Campano and here my mukbanger. Yan. Gusto po namin bumati kay Ma'am Weni Nalagon. Yan. Ikaw man na mag-wish kay Ma'am Weni Nalagon.
So, happy birthday po, Tita Weni, and sana mag-ingat po kayo dyan, and sana po stay good health po, matupad po lahat ng wish nyo. God bless po.
Yan. Yan. Happy birthday po, Ma'am Weni. Yun nga, laging malusog, tsaka always maganda. Looking young, yan. Thank you sa lahat ng tulong, lahat, basta mula na ma-monetize ako, isa ka sa nakatulong sa akin yan. Alam mo yan. Maraming salamat, sobra. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yan, happy birthday. Always maging happy. At saka, God bless sa buong family mo. Yan. At saka, yun nga pala, belated happy birthday din kay Ma'am Mikmar Ragos. Sorry, hindi na kami nakagawa ng mga welcome text ng message sa'yo. Sa totoo lang, hindi ko rin tanda kasi mga birthday nyo yan. Thank you rin. At lagi kayo nandyan. Happy belated happy birthday. Ma'am Mikmar Ragos. Yan. Thank you. Ma'am Weni Nalagon, happy birthday. Hanggang dito na lang po. Talaga antok na kami ni mukbang. Salamat sa inyo. God bless. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sis Wenny Nalagon. More blessing to come and more years to come. God bless. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. Hi, Zoe. Anong gift mo kay Mami? Kiss mo si Mami, ha? Oh, basta. Message na lang. Kahit ang dami kong absent sa pa-entry. Alam niyo na kung anong bakit, kung anong reason. Basta, happy birthday, B. Wenny Nalagon. God bless. We love you. Oops! Wait lang po. May pahabol pa ako. Gusto ko lang din patiin si Ate Mikmar Ragos. Belated happy birthday, Ate. God bless. Keep safe always. More blessing to come. Bye. We love you.
Happy birthday